question, it is simplified, very easy exercise, and sure you will be getting 2 marks from this exercise. Now let us see. First question, 4x square by y and 2z square into 6x z cube divided by 20 y to the power of 4. So here it is given a multiplication sign. So you can easily cancel the values. Here 2 ones are 2 and then 2 threes are 6, 2 tens are 20. And rewrite the remaining 2x square by z square into 3x z cube by 10 y to the power of 4. And again you can see 2 and 10. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Okay, and y power 1, here we have y to the power of 4. So if we cancel 1 y, we will be having y to the power of 3. Okay, and here we have z cube, here we have z square. So if we cancel z square, we will be having only 1 z. Okay, and x is x square and x. So x cube. Okay, and 1 into 3, 3. So 5. So 3x cube multiplied z divided by 5y cube. Question number 2, p square minus 10p plus 21. As you look at the question, you can easily find out that it is factorization. And here also p square plus p minus 12 is again factorization. After finding the factors, you can easily cancel and simplify. Okay. Now p square, find out the factors for p square minus 10p plus 21. So here we have 21. We must get minus 10. So 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. So minus into minus plus, same sign add. So 7 plus 3 is minus 10. So here we shall write as p square, p minus 7 and p minus 3. Okay, and then next find out p square minus plus p minus 12. Find factor for 12. So minus 12. 4 threes are 12. We must get plus 1. Here you can see here minus 12. So plus into minus around, plus into minus minus. But here we have to get plus 1. So for greater number use plus and for smaller number give minus. Okay. So 4 minus 3 is plus 1. 4 threes are 12. Plus into minus minus. So the factors are p plus 4 and p minus 3. Okay. Now you can write the factors in proper places. Here for p square minus 10p plus 21 we get p minus 7 and p minus 3. Okay, by p minus 7 into, here for again p square plus p minus 12 we got p plus 4 p minus 3 divided by p minus 3 whole square. So write 2 times p minus 3 p minus 3. Okay, now cancel p minus 3 and p minus 3 p minus 3 p minus 7 p minus 7. So remaining we have p plus 4. Okay. Question number 3. Find t to the power of cube by 4t minus 8 into 6t minus 12 divided by 10. So 5t cube divided by, here you can see 4 as common. t minus 2 cancel, and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and again t cube, here we have t power 1. So if we cancel t1, remaining will be having t square. So cancel t, and then 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So into 3, okay, by 2 into 2 is 4. If you multiply, you get 3t square. 3 into t square, 3t square by 4. Question number 2, simplify. Here x plus 4 is already in simplified form, and 3x plus 4y is also in simplified form. Here 9x square minus 16y square. So 9 square and 16 square. So taking 9x square minus 16y square, simplify as square. So 3 into x. 3 into 3, 9, and x into x, x square. So 3x square minus 4 into 4, 16. So y into y, y square. So it is a square minus b square. And again here 2x square plus 3x minus 20. So now you have to do factorization taking first and the last term. 2 into 20. So multiply 2 into 20 is 40. So 2 into 20 here minus, so minus 40. You must get 3. Minus 40, and here it is plus 3. So 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So plus into minus alone, you will be getting minus here. So plus into minus. Here 3 for 3, it is plus. So give greater number plus and smaller number minus. So plus into minus minus, and 8 minus 5 is plus 3. So taking 8 and minus 5 as factors. So 2x square plus 3x minus 20. Taking first and the last term as it is, minus 20. In the place of 3x, write plus 8x minus 5x. Split first 2 and the last 2. So here we have 2 as common, 2 and x is common. 2x. 2 into x. Here we must get x square. So put 1x. So 2x into x, 2x square plus 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8x. And here, so both will go in 5 tables. So 5 is common, x. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. But here we must get minus 5x. So 5 into x, 5x. So put minus. Minus 5 into x minus 5x, and if you put plus, plus into minus, minus 5 4s are 20. Now you can see both the factors are same. So it is correct. X plus 4 unfactored, and 2x minus 5 another factor. Okay, now we can simplify. X plus 4 by 3x plus 4y into, so for 9x minus 16y square, we get 3x square minus 4y square, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So 3x minus 4y and 3x plus 4y divided by, and for 2x square plus 3x minus 20, we get 2x minus 5 and x plus 4. Okay, now x plus 4 cancel, and 3x plus 5, 3x plus 4y cancel, and remaining leftovers are 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. Question number 2. Here first x cube minus y cube divided by 3 y first as one factor x minus y and again. So remaining will be x square. So x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, very simple. And then take 3x square plus 9xy plus 6y square. You can see 3 is common in each term. So taking 3 outside the bracket. So x square plus 3 into 3 9. So 3xy plus 3 2s are 6. So here we have 3 outside bracket. If you multiply this, again you must get 3x square. 3 into x square, 3x square plus 3 3s are 9 xy plus 3 into 2 6 6y square. So a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Now factorize 2 and we must get 3. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now 2 and 1 are the factors. Taking 3 open bracket. So x plus 2y, x plus 2y and again x plus 1y. Okay. And next taking next variable, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. So it is taking 1 and we must get 2. So 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 and 1 are factors. Here we can take x plus y and x plus y. And then x square minus y square, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but x plus y and x minus y. That is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, now we can simplify. So for x cube minus y cube, we get x minus y and x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, and here we have 3x square. For 3x square 9xy plus 6y, we get 3x plus 2y x plus y. Okay, into and x square plus 2x xy plus y square is equal to x plus y x minus x plus y divided by x plus y and x minus y. Okay, now x plus y cancel, x minus y cancel, x plus y cancel, and remaining we have x square plus xy plus y square divided by 3x plus 2y. Question number 3, simplify. Here 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 2a square plus 7a plus 6. Here you can see division symbol. It's very easy. As it is what we did in multiplication, just we have to reciprocal the factors after factorization. Okay? And then cancel. Very simple. So first of all, we will go with 2a square plus 5a plus 3. Take the first and the last, that is 2 into in between for 5a, write 3a and 2a. Split the term first and the last two. First two and last two we have a as common. So write a. So 2 into a. So a 2 into a square. 2 a into a square plus 3. Already we have a here. So write only 3. So if you multiply, you will get 2 into a into 2a square plus a into 3, 3a. And again here we don't have common variable or constants. So go with 1. 1 is common. So 2a, 2 into a, 2a plus 3. So write a plus 1 as one factor and 2a plus 3 as another factor. Okay, and then find out next, that is 2a square plus 7a plus 6. Same, first and last 6 twos are 2 into 6, 12. So that we must get 7. So 4 threes are 12. So write first and last as is 2a square plus 4a plus 3a, the last term plus 6. Now split the term first 2 and last 2. First 2 we have 2 as common factor as well as a. So taking 2a outside the bracket, 2 into 2a into a, that is a into a square, 1 2s are 2. So 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4a. And here we have 3 as common. 3 into a plus 3 2s are 6. 3 into a, 3a, 3 2s are 6. Now you can see a plus 2 and a plus 2 is common. So write a plus 2 as one factor and 2a plus 3 as another factor. Okay. And now let us find out a square plus 6a plus 5. Okay. So go with 5. We must get 6. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So take right first and the last term as it is a square plus 5. In the place of 6a, write plus 5a plus 1a. Split first and the last two terms. Here we have a as common. A into a square plus a into 5, 5a. And here we have only 1 as common. So 1 into a plus 1 5s are 5. You can see both a plus 5 is common. Taking a plus 5 as one factor, a plus 1 as another factor. Okay. Then take minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. Here you can see 5 is common in all the terms. So taking minus 5 outside the bracket. So write minus 5. With minus 5 you multiply a square, it will become minus 5a square. And here some 5s are 35. Plus into minus, minus. So write plus a. And here if you put minus, it will become minus into minus plus. So write plus. 10 5s are 50. Now take 10 and if you multiply you must get 10. If you add you must get 7. So 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 7. Minus 5. Right? A plus 5 and a plus 2 as one factor. Now you can just substitute the values what you have found, substitute the factors and simplify. Now after substituting the factorize in each place, here we have division. So just to simplify, convert this into multiplication and reciprocal the denominator the numerator as denominator. X plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 5. Okay. Here write as it is. Keep in mind only the right side must be reciprocal. Okay, now you can cancel 2a plus 1, a plus 1 cancel, and a plus 2, and 2a plus 3, a plus 5. Now we have only minus 5. Question number 2. Here b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4 divided b square minus 49 and divided by b square minus 5b minus 14. Now we will find factors for each, then we will simplify. So b square plus 3b minus 28. So for 28 we must get 3. So 7 4s are 28. We must get minus 28. So 7 4s are 28. 7 minus 4 3. But we must choose where we must put plus. So 3 is plus 3. So we must use plus for greater number and minus for smaller number. 7 minus 4 is 3 plus 3. Okay, plus it to minus. So plus 7 and minus 4 are the factors. Write b plus 7, b minus 4. Okay, b square plus 4b plus 4. So now find factors for 4. Factors for 4. So we must get 4. If you multiply, we must get plus 4. If you add, we must get plus 4. So 2 2s are 4. Plus 2 and plus 2 are the factors. So b plus 2, b plus 2. Okay. And next b square minus 49. B square minus square. So 49 is also root b square minus 7 square. That is 7 into 7, 49. So a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but b plus 7 and b minus 7. Okay, and then b square minus 5b minus 14. So minus 14. If you multiply, you must get minus 14. Add or subtract, you must get minus 5. Okay, and 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Here we have minus 5. So give minus for greater number and for smaller number plus. Okay, minus 7 and plus 2 are the factors. So b minus 7, b plus 2. Now we can simplify. So b square plus 3b minus 28, we get b plus 7, b minus 4 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4, we get b plus 2, b plus 2 divided b square plus minus 49, we have b plus 7, b minus 7 divided by b square minus 5b minus 14, b minus 7 and b plus 2. Here we have division. So we have to reciprocal, numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. So write b plus 7, b minus 4 divided by b plus 2, b plus 2. In the place of division, give multiplication. Okay, multiplication, and now reciprocal. b minus 7 to the numerator, b plus 2, and here numerator as denominator, b plus 7, b minus 7. Now you can cancel. So here b plus 2 cancel, b plus 7 cancel, and b minus 7. So at last we have b plus minus 4 and b plus 2. Question number 3. X plus 2 divided by 4y divided by x square minus x minus 6, 12y square. So here it is already factorized. X plus 2, it is simplified already. 4y divided, so x square minus x minus 6. So x square minus x minus 6. So to factorize minus 6, we must get minus 1. So 3 2s are 6, and give minus for greater number, plus into minus, minus. So 3 2s are 6, 3 minus 2 minus 1. So taking x minus 3 and x plus 2 as factors. X minus 3 as one factor, x plus 2 as another factor, divided by 12y square. Now here we have division symbol converted into multiplication. So x plus 2 divided by 4y, divide as multiplication and write the denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. So 12y square, and below that x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay, and here x plus 2 cancel. We have 4 1s are, 4 3s are y, and we have y square. And then we have 3 divided by 3, and here we have 1y, 3y, x minus 3. Question number 4. 12t square minus 22t plus 8. So take 12t square minus 22t plus 8. Here we can see 2 as common. So 2 6 are 12. T square minus 2 11s are 22 plus 2 4s are 8. Okay, now take factors. 6 4s are 24. 6 into 4, 24. You must get 11. 6 into t. So 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. So same sign, we must get minus 11. So same sign, add minus 8, minus 3, minus 11. So minus into minus, plus. Okay, now write first and the last term as it is. 6t square. In the place of 11t, write minus 8t minus 3t plus 4. Okay. Take split the terms first 2 and last 2. 2 is common again. 2 and t. So 2t, 2 3s are 6. T into t, t square. 2 3s are 6, t into t, t square minus 2 4s are 8, t. Okay, and here we don't have any common variable as well as constants. So write 1. So 3t and 4. So we must have minus 3t. So give minus 3t into minus 1 minus 3t minus into minus, it will become plus. So give minus. Now you can see 3t minus 4 in both the factors. So 2t within bracket, 2t minus 1 and 3t minus 4. Okay, and then 3t is already simplified. Then find out 3t square plus 2t minus 8. So same, take first and last. 8 3s are 24. So we must get 2. So 6 fours are 24 here plus 2. So give plus symbol for greater number and give minus for smaller number. So plus 6 minus 4. Okay, write first and the last return as is 3t and the last minus 8 plus 6t minus 4t. Take split the terms first 2 and the last 2. 3 is common. 3t, 3 into t, 3t square plus 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6t. And here we have 4 as common. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So 4 t and 4 2s are 8. And again you have to check with the symbols. Here it is minus 4t. Give minus and minus. If you put minus into minus, it will become plus. So give plus. So minus into plus minus. So t plus 2 is common. So write t plus 2 as one factor and 3t minus 4 as another factor. Okay. Then write 2t square plus 4t. 2t and 2t is common. 2t. If you multiply with t, it will become 2t square plus 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4 into t. Okay, now writing the factors in the proper places. Now let us simplify. 2t minus 1, 3t minus 4 divided by 3t. In the place of division, give multiplication, reciprocal. Write numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. So 2t within bracket t plus 2 and write 3t minus 4 and t plus 2. So 3t minus 4, t plus 2. Then write 2 within bracket 2t minus 1 and here we have 2 divided by 3. Now you can multiply 2 into 2 as 4 and 2t minus 1 by 3. Question number 4. If x is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 divided by 3a square minus 3 and y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4. Find the value of x square into y square minus 2. Okay. Now let us find the factors first. So to find the value of x, let us solve this. So take x is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 divided by 3a square minus 3. First find factors for a square plus 3a minus 4. A square plus 3a minus 4. So find factors for minus 4. If you multiply, you must get minus 4. Add or subtract, you must get 3. So 4 ones are 4. Here it is plus 3. So give plus for the greater number and minus to the smallest number. Plus into minus, minus. So 1 4s are 4. So the factors are a plus 4 and a minus 1. And here for 3a square minus 3, we have 3 as common. So take 3 a square minus 3 into a square, 3a square minus 3 ones are 3. Okay, now we can just apply. For a square plus 3a minus 4, we get a plus 4 and a minus 1 divided by, and 3a square minus 3 we get 3a square minus 1. Okay, now here we can see 3a plus 4, a minus 1 and 3a square minus 1. So it is a square minus 1 square, that is a square minus b square. So we have to write a plus b, that is a plus 1 and a minus 1. Okay. And at last, cancel a minus 1, a minus 1. So a plus 4, 3, a plus 1 is the value of x. Okay, now let us find value of y. So y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4. So take first a square plus 2a minus 8. So minus 8 we must get 2. So 4 2s are 8. Here it is plus 2 and it is minus 8. So 4 2s are 8. Give plus to the greater number and minus to the smallest number. Plus into minus minus 4 minus 2 2. So it is a plus 4 a minus 2. Okay. And then next let us find 2a square minus 2a minus 4. So as we have 2a square multiplied first and last. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. We must get minus 2. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and we must get minus 2. So give minus to the greater number and plus to the smallest number. Okay, now write first and last term as is 2a square and minus 4 as is. In the place of minus 2a, write minus 4a plus 2a. Okay, split first 2 and last 2. Here we have 2 as common, 2 as well as a as common, 2a. So a square. 2 into a square minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, and here we have 2 as common, 2a minus 2. Okay, now you can see a minus 2 is common. So a minus 2 as one factor and 2a plus 2 as another factor. Okay, now let us find the value of y. So y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8. We have a plus 4 a minus 2 divided by, for 2a square minus 2a minus 4 we got 2a plus 2 a minus 2. So cancel a minus 2 plus we have a plus 4 2a plus 2. Here you can see 2 is common. So a plus 4, 2 is common, taking 2 outside the bracket, a plus 1. Okay, 2 into a, 2a, 2 ones are 2. So value of y is equal to a plus 4 divided by 2, a plus 1. Now after finding the value of x and y, we are asked to find the value of x square, y minus 2. So to find the value of x square minus y minus 2. So write x square, if it is minus it comes under division, that is y square. Okay, so here we have square is common, write x divided by y whole square. Write the value of x. Value of x is equal to a plus 4 divided by 3 a plus 1. Okay. Divided by the value of x and divided by y. So write a plus 4 divided by 2a plus 1. Okay, now it is under division. Now we can write as we feel comfortable, a plus 4 divided by 3a plus 1. In place of division, write like this and write a plus 4 2a plus 1. Okay, now a plus 4 divided by 3a plus 1. Division as multiplication. Now do reciprocal, write square 2 divided by 3 whole square. So 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9. So hence therefore x square y minus square minus 2 is equal to 4 by 9. Question number 5. If a polynomial p of x square minus 5x minus 14 when divided by another polynomial that is p of x gets reduced to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Find q of x. So first we will go with p of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x minus 14. So take minus 14. Find factorize first. So we must get minus 5. So 7 2s are 14 and give minus to the greater number so that we will get minus 5. So 7 minus 2 minus 5. We have factors as x minus 7 and x plus 2. Okay. Now it is given that when it is divided by another polynomial q of x is reduced to x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So p of x divided by q of x is equal to p of x is x minus 7 x plus 2 and q of x we have to find the value of q of x and it is given that it is reduced to x minus 7 x minus 2. Now x plus 2. Now what we have to do is here we have equal to cross multiply. So x plus minus 7 x plus 2 into x plus 2. Okay, is equal to, now take q of x into x minus 7. Okay, now x minus 7 x plus 2 is equal to, having q of x on the right side, take x minus 7 goes for division, x minus 7. So x minus 7 cancel. We have x plus 2 as factor is equal to q of x. X plus 2 is nothing but q of x is equal to x plus 2 whole square. So x plus 2 whole square is a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab, that is 2ab plus b square. X square plus 2 2s are 4 x plus 2 2s are 4. So therefore q of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4.